Meaning of insolence.
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 Insolence. Insolence refers to a disrespectful or arrogant behavior that is shown towards someone in authority. It can be displayed through words, actions, or attitude. Insolence can negatively impact relationships as it shows a lack of respect and disregard for others. People who display insolent behavior may be seen as unprofessional, rude, or difficult to work with. In severe cases, insolence can result in losing one's job or damaging reputations. To avoid displaying insolence, it is important to treat others with respect, listen carefully to feedback and communicate in a polite and professional manner.